Another lizard.
Yeah. Cute.
Restarted. Let's just do
No, I'm.
I don't know why you guys gotta fight all the time, man.
Make everything.
I'm not shopping. She's trying to walk the opposite way.
I see the same thing. And then you start shoveling. Alright, what direction you want to go? That way?
You're gonna get rocks in your shoes. Step on top.
Now there's one.
See? You gotta step on top of the rocks. We are in the rainforest, guys. It definitely feels like a rainforest. Careful, Aiden. These big rocks. They just want to be messing people up.
Be careful here. Be careful with these rocks. Look.
I walked right into an orb because of a web.
You see you guys are always looking down.
Oh my God, guys, this is steep.
Here, I'll hold your hand.
For what? Hold my daughter's hand.
Oh, I want to hold yours. She's fine. She's not going to fall on her. Is there a lizard?
There's a little lizard
Be careful.
under the stick.
The big stick?
Yes. That? No, right there. On the rock. That is a little pointy.
I see him. He's right there.
Alyssa. Where?
Right to the right of your foot.
Don't step on him.
He's right there. He's got a stripe on his back.
Oh, I see him. He is a
I don't
big
see him.
Right there.
Oh, he is right there. Oh, that is him. Oh,
Oh,
man,
he
I
jumped
thought I
away.
was seeing him the whole time.
No,
And I'm
there's
like,
a corner. Oh, he jumped.
They got all kinds of
man,
different
I was
lizards
staring
in
at
Puerto
him the whole
Rico.
time, and I'm over here thinking that's a
I
stick.
I thought that too. I was like, man, that is not a lizard.
Come on, Eddie.
They got all kinds of. Be careful, please, guys.
Eddie, you got
Don't
some good
accidentally
eyes.
stomp
It
on
makes
a
a lot
baby
more
lizard.
sense of why I need glasses now.
They got all kinds of different
Even though I have like
lizards
a lazy eye, it's okay.
Oh,
in
steep.
Puerto Rico. That's what I said. Steep.
I'm looking down always.
That's what I said. Careful, please.
Careful, y'all.
And other stuff inside my
It's
shoe.
tough to walk with those things. You shouldn't even wear your sneakers.
I didn't know that we were going to be doing these
Rock, huh?
paths. I would have had her.
I didn't know that I was going to be walking on rocks. That was a pretty good hint.
All right, I'm going to have my video. It's 5 minutes.